Hey guys, welcome back. We are working on this GitHub lecture. We have added a new developer in the team and then push his code on this remote branch, and it successfully pushed on this branch, right? And now we want to merge this developer1 code into the main branch, because in our main branch we don't have that code, right? So we need to merge the code into the main branch. This one is a one developer. If we have 50 developers, so we need to merge the 50 developer code into this main branch. So how to merge those branches, right? This one is developer one branch, and if you want to merge the branch, so first where you want to merge. So I want to merge inside main, so you need to go inside the main. So now I'm in the main branch, and in the main branch, the branch which you want to merge, here first we need to check that is that available here, git branch, and no, this branch is currently not available. Why? GitHub is not able to track that when you added a new branch. So how you can do that? So you need to type here git fetch hyphen all, this command. So then GitHub will track those branches or track the latest code. Hit enter, and you can see this now. It's get this developer one branch, and if you will now type this git branch, it will return the both branches. Oh my god, it's still returning this main branch. Yeah, why it's returning the main branch only? Because on our local system we don't have that branch, right? On the remote branch we have this developer one branch, and it's able to fetch that out. That's good. So what we need to do here is now merge that developer one branch into this main branch. So how to do that? So command is very simple, git merge, and then you need to specify which branch you want to merge. I want to merge developer one, right? Git merge, then origin / developer one. Hit enter, and it's saying updating fast forward contact.html, one file is changed. Great, it's successfully able to get that file from that branch, and contact is also available here. But make sure this changes is not in the remote branch. It's currently added in the local branch. It doesn't exist here, right? So now we need to push that code there, right? Okay, just add git add git commit here, merge the developer one branch. Hit enter, and it's saying nothing to commit. Okay, when you are merging that, it's not able to do that, so you need to push that code directly. Git push origin, and then what's the origin? It's a main origin. Git push origin main. So this will push your this contact file into the main, and yes, it's pushed, and it's saying it's reused. Okay, now go to the branch and give it a refresh. So our main will contain this contact file, and yes, this our main branch is also now contain this contact.html file. And why it's saying reused? It's not added the commit. Why? Because it's reused it from the developer one. Developer one added this commit to added contact feature. So that's why our commit is not submitted here. It's saying on branch nothing to commit, working tree is clean, because it's reused that information from developer one, right? That is a thing, and we are successfully able to merge our developer one branch into the main branch. But here is another thing which you need to keep in mind. This one is a conflict which is automatically resolved. Conflict mean that we have this developer who is working on the app, these 2 files, but this 3 files is added by the another developer. So it means that it's not the conflict. But sometimes developer work on the same file on the same line, so then conflict appear and Git don't know that which code I need to keep, right? So then the problem happens. So if I go to the developer 1 code again, developer 1 code, and here in the developer 1 I'm going to say here in the about HTML I'm from main, and I'm from here I'm going to change this, I am from developer 1, right? So now 1 changes is appear here, and I'm going to push this to the branch git add git commit -m. What we did here, changed about file. Okay, one file is changed. Now push this git push origin, and he will push to his own origin developer 1. So now his code is pushed, right, successfully, and yes, this code is pushed successfully, and this developer, this app which is the main branch, is going to also push the code, right? This one is a main branch, and he is going to also change that file in this about I'm from main branch. Okay, I change this. I'm going to now push this same thing into my own branch git add git commit -m, and then here change about feature. I'm going to mention here a feature, and then git push origin, and then origin is main. I'm going to push this into my main branch, and this will be work same as it was. But now when I'm going to merge my branches, this thing will not work, right? If I go here and type git merge, and then I want to merge the origin of developer 1 branch, hit enter, it's saying already up to date. When you face this kind of issue, so this issue is when Git is not able to track the latest changes. So then you need to run this command git fetch :all. So unable to access, couldn't resolve host to github.com. Okay, why this thing is happening? Okay, our git fetch command was not working due to the internet connection. I searched this on the ChatGPT, and it suggested that couldn't resolve because it's a network issue, and yes, it was a network issue. That's why it was not working. And then after setting my internet connection, I run this again, and it's now working, right? I run this same command, and it's worked successfully. Okay, so sometime it's happened due to the internet connection. Perfect. Now we are able to fetch this developer 1, and if I now go here, what we are doing is, yes, we are running this git merge command. So I'm going to run the merge command again, git merge origin developer 1, and yes, auto merging about.html conflict. That's what we are expecting. So now automatic merge failed, fix conflict, and then commit the result. Now Git don't know that both developer are working on the same line, so which line I need to keep. So that's why automatic merging is failed. And if we go to the my app here, so you can see this in our file, other files are working fine, but when we are going to the about.html, it's showing these options here. So now we have 4 options. We are going to explore all of the one. The very first one is accept current change. So it means that we need to accept the accept the change from our own branch. It will accept the main branch code. If I'll click on it, it's saying about us from the main page, right? I'll undo this again. So now if I'll accept incoming change, it will accept the incoming branch code. Just click on this. We can see this from the about to developer 1, right? So another option is accept both. So it will accepted this main branch code and developer branch code too, right? And let's revert it back again. So here you can also compare the changes, what is coming from the main, what is coming from the developer, right? So you can compare those changes. So in this way you can automatically resolve that. Let's say if you want to accept this current change, you want to accept the main branch code, so we'll say here main, just save it, and then your conflict is now resolved. And here you need to basically your conflict is resolved, so then you can push that code on your GitHub. So let me clear this out. This conflict was not automatically resolved, so we resolved it manually. So now it's resolved, so I'm going to push those latest changes on the Git. Here I'm going to say resolved conflict, hit enter, and now I'm going to say git push origin main, and it will push that code on our GitHub repository, and yes, it's pushed. And if I go here, you can see this now on the about us file, it will contain the main branch code. Yes, main branch code rather than that developer 1 code. That developer 1 code exists into his own repository, right? If you go to this contact page, sorry, it's about page, his own work available in his own repository about us from the developer. But on the main branch, we merged that branch and then we accepted only the incoming changes from our main branch. So that's why this conflict, we resolved the main, we accepted the main branch code. This is the overall overview that how a team lead can merge the different branches into the main branch. If new developer comes, so it's identical steps as we did this for the developer 1, developer 2, developer 3. So they will commit their changes and then main will merge their changes into the main branch, as we did this for the developer 1, git merge developer 1. Similarly we will do for the git merge developer 2, git merge developer 3, and so on things. So this is the overall overview that how a team lead can merge the other developers code. I hope it's a advanced tutorial and it will help you to work as a team lead, or it will help you to understand that how a team lead can merge the code so you can push it more in a better way. So that's it for this video, and that's it for the overall this series. I hope you liked it, and if you are enjoying the series and it's adding values into your careers, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you want to support more to me, then you can share it with your friends. So in this way I'll get more views, get more earnings, and I'll shoot more courses, because these are premium courses which I'm shooting the free of cost. I'm very sure that you will support me on my mission to shoot the premium courses free of cost, and also share your opinion in the comments box about this course. And I'll see you guys in the next course. Bye bye guys.